What's up friends, welcome to my channel Phone Tech. Today let's compare Huawei Nova 5i and Xiaomi Mi A3. Let's start. Let's start with the display. Nova 5i has a 6.4 inch Full HD Plus LCD display and Mi A3 has a 6.08 inch HD Plus AMOLED display. If I talk about the front camera, both smartphones have a 32 megapixel front camera. Next, RAM and storage. Nova 5 has a 2 option in RAM, 6GB, 8GB and only one option in storage, 128GB, and other side Mi A3 has a 4GB RAM and 64 and 128GB storage option. Now give a look on rear camera. Nova 5 has a quad rear camera, 48 megapixel plus 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, and Mi A3 has a triple rear camera, 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. Next I'm gonna talk about the processor and chipset. Nova 5i has a 2.2 GHz octa-core processor and KEYone 710 chipset, and Mi A3 has a 2 GHz octa-core processor and Snapdragon 665 chipset. Now guys, we talk about some other specs. Nova 5i has a Android 9 Pie, and other side you will get a same Android 9 Pie, and both smartphone has a dual SIM option. If I talk about the GPU, Nova 5i has a Mali G51 MP4 GPU, and other side you will get a Adreno 610 GPU, and both smartphone has a fingerprint sensor, but Nova 5i has a fingerprint sensor on the back, but Mi A3 has a fingerprint sensor on the display. And talk about the battery, Nova 5i has a 4000 mAh non-removable battery with fast battery charging, and other side Mi A3 has a 4030 mAh battery with fast battery charging. And talk about the price, both have a expected price 20,000 in Indian rupees and 290 in US dollar. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new video update.